I'm helping you a little bit, Philip. That's all. This is rough terrain. You know, this is like. In fact, we should probably go on a sidewalk. It's easier. This is going. Okay, we're gonna go
That
this
parking
way.
lot might be smoother.
Use your legs. Okay. Use your legs. That's it. Use your legs. Good boy. Use your legs. There you go. Use your legs.
You gotta turn this way, right?
That's right.
It's kind of rough. Okay, I'm almost done there,
Good.
right,
You're doing great.
Dad?
That's it. Keep pedaling.
Look.
Look forward. Look forward. That up, boy. That's it. Use your legs. Use your legs. That's it. Strength. Good boy. Lower body strength. That up, boy.
This is upper and lower body
Exactly.
strength. You gotta go up with your legs.
That up, boy. You're on your own. Good boy. You're doing a great job. Very proud of you.
Good job, Philip. Good job.
It's just like a big boy, right?
Yes, you are. This way we could all go as a family, right? Turn left. You're good. Turn left. You're on your own. No help. That's it. Use your legs. That's it. Okay.
Push. Push. Stand up if you have
No,
to.
he's fine. Go left. That's it. You did it. Go ahead. Keep going. Okay, there you go. Good job.
There's the emergency exit.
Yeah,
right?
keep watch where you're going.
That's emergency exit 11.
Pedal hard. Pedal hard. That's it. You're doing great. Well, that's because you're teaching me how to ride. There you go. Now you're going.
Teaching me how to ride tilted, right?
Yeah, go ahead. And then someday you won't be tilted. You're going to do this every day. So you get stronger. Every day you get stronger and stronger.